Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at APEX 2018 and I'm joined by Chris Nash from Indium. Chris, always good to see you. Always interesting stuff. Most recently, avoid the void, but now you have this reliability delivered strategy going on. Tell me where the demands for that have come and kind of how you're structuring that strategy.
Sure. Really, the entire industry is focused on reliability. So it really encompasses electrical reliability, thermal reliability, mechanical reliability. So it's really an important topic that everyone's really talking about now. So on the electrical reliability standpoint, we have two excellent products, 8.9 HF, which is a true proven product that's been in the industry for quite some time now. So a lot of people are using it. It's kind of the new 92J of the industry. And then you have the Indium 10.1 HF, which is our newest ultra low voiding material, but it also has benefits with solder beading and electrical reliability. So really that's the focus of our products, is to bring reliability to the industry.
Yeah, and then when you look at the mechanical reliability, that comes into effect with high reliability markets, particularly I guess the automotive industry.
Correct. The biggest topic within the automotive industry is high reliability for alloys for underhood applications. So they're going from minus 40 to 125, and then the future is going to be minus 40 to 150 and minus 40 to even 175 with regards to thermal cycling reliability.
Okay. And when we look at what's changing in the automotive industry, when we look at what's changing from to electric vehicles and all those things, does that present additional challenges or new challenges?
It does, and it's really on the electrical reliability standpoint when we talk about electric vehicles, because you're going to have higher voltage. But it also is going to be related to thermal reliability, because a higher voltage is going to have higher heat. You're going to need to get that heat out of your components, out of your assemblies as fast as possible. So thermal interface materials become a very important part of that.
Yeah. And when you look at reliability, that's really broadening the debate, because avoid the void is a reliability issue, and voiding is still part of that challenge.
Correct. So the Avoid the Void program for us has been an integral part of our message to the industry. And the products that we offer within solder paste, the Indium 8.9 HF and the 10.1 HF, excellent products, but we also have preforms that help avoid the void. And we have other aspects of our solder paste as well. So we're not looking for a material that's just excellent at voiding. We want to have a material that does head and pillow minimization, solder beading minimization, ICT performance, response to pause performance. We want the whole package. And that's what really we bring to the table with our solder paste products.
Yeah, and I think what's interesting is when we explore that whole reliability issue and the voiding, you're not just doing it on your own. I keep speaking to companies that are in thermal management or in inspection or placement companies or printing companies that say, oh yeah, we're doing a project with Indium on this, or we're doing another project with Indium on that. You're really collaborating with lots of people to kind of bring solutions to the customer.
Absolutely. The process is so important. You can't just put in a solder paste and expect zero voiding, right? You have to really tweak the process to be able to reduce voiding as much as possible, whether it be the stencil. We've found that stencil thickness plays a great role in the amount of voiding. So a thicker stencil would produce lower voiding than a thinner stencil. The reflow profile, obviously we're working with Kick and Mole and the thermocouple type companies, as well as the oven companies. Vacuum reflow is becoming a hot topic within the industry as well for reducing voiding. So we're working with all the reflow companies as well that are producing the vacuum reflows. And we're having excellent results there. We're bringing voiding down to lower than 5% in most cases with vacuum reflow. However, there are challenges that pop up once you have a new process, right? So our solder paste and our preforms are really mitigating the other problems that are popping up, like solder splash.
Right. Okay. Well, I think those collaborations are amazing, and one of the things I've taken away from this particular IPC event is, some of the successes that we've seen in terms of collaboration. Chris, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for your time. Pleasure to talk to you.